The Thumper Sport Massager is a revolutionary tool designed to provide deep muscle relief. With its patented drive system technology, this massager transmits energy deep into the muscle tissue, promoting healing and relaxation. The variable speed control allows you to adjust the pulses per second from 20 to 40, matching your muscle's natural healing frequency. The true speed feedback system prevents low-speed stalls, ensuring a consistent and effective massage every time. Interchangeable massage spheres allow you to customize your massage experience, while the long ergonomic handle makes it easy to reach all muscle groups, from your neck and shoulders to your back and legs. Hand-manufactured in Canada, this FDA Class 1 approved massager is of the highest quality. With its easy-to-clean design, simply wipe with a damp cloth to keep it in top condition. Experience the power of the Thumper Sport Massager and feel the difference in your muscles today.